in my hand the single floodlight bracket for a 76mm light post column. Okay, so we can see basically here on the bottom part, it's available by the way with low cost delivery directly from freetv.ie. So we'll see here, this is designed for use with, most light poles are about 76mm that are out there. So what we're actually doing here is we're trying to slide this bracket on and securely mount it onto it. So the internal diameter of this is just over 80mm. So we'd loosen off the grub screws here, drop this directly on, screw it on, lock it into position, and it would have a very, very tight fitting directly onto a pole. And then we can make a decision on what type of floodlight we want to mount on it. So normally we'll say you'd be using a large floodlight, maybe 100 watt, come along, and you'd use the base of it, mount it directly on here, and you just run bolts directly through here, lock it in. And it just has a range of holes here, you can come and do it. And there's also an entry point here for running your cable directly up here. So you can have a neat way of designing that out in terms of a solution on it. So overall, I would say it's a pretty niche product, but we have a very wide range of galvanized bracketry, all heavy duty, that covers all types of purposes on it. This is a great sort of standalone solution here, because if you're going to the expense and hassle putting in poles, all the rest of here, you want to have the right bracket on top of it, and that's normally when people fall down. They have everything except the bracketry they need to finish out the job. So that's it anyway, an overview of the single floodlight bracket for 76mm light post columns.